Ginger may have numerous health benefits due to its anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and other properties. It may help you lose weight, manage arthritis, reduce menstrual symptoms, and more. Ginger comes from a flowering plant originating in Southeast Asia. It adds flavor to sweet and savory foods and has various health benefits. It belongs to the Zingiberaceae family and is closely related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we explore the amazing health benefits of natural ingredients. In today's video, we will show you how to make ginger tea with lemon and uncover the 10 incredible health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a powerful root with a long history of medicinal use, and when combined with the zesty goodness of lemon, it creates a delicious and health-boosting tea. Before we move on, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click on the bell, and turn on the notifications so you will not miss the new video upload every week. Benefit number 1. Digestive aid. Ginger is a reliable aid to digestion, especially in gastrointestinal discomfort such as bloating, indigestion, and nausea. Ginger tea with lemon is a well-known and effective remedy with a calming effect on the digestive system. Benefit number 2. Immune system support. Including ginger and lemon in your diet can help boost your immune system and fight off infections and illnesses. These two ingredients are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that are effective in enhancing your body's natural defenses. Benefit number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Did you know that ginger is packed with gingerols, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation? Adding a squeeze of lemon to ginger tea can make for a natural remedy that can alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Benefit number 4. Sore throat relief. If you have a sore throat, a mixture of ginger and lemon can help alleviate the discomfort. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can enhance your immune system, and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe throat irritation. Benefit number 5. Weight management. One effective way to manage your weight is by incorporating ginger tea with lemon into your diet. Ginger is known to enhance metabolism and reduce appetite, while lemon supports digestion and detoxification. Benefit number 6. Skin health. Did you know that using ginger tea as a facial steam can help cleanse and invigorate your skin? The antioxidants found in ginger and lemon can also help fight free radicals and give you a healthy and glowing complexion. Benefit number 7. Headache relief. If you're experiencing tension headaches, ginger tea might be the solution. It's known for its soothing properties, which can help relieve the pain. Additionally, you can also apply ginger tea-infused oil to your temples for a natural remedy. Benefit number 8. Cardiovascular health. Ginger and lemon are essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Ginger can effectively lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and the antioxidants present in lemon can significantly contribute to a robust cardiovascular system. Benefit number 9. Relaxation and stress relief. One effective way to achieve relaxation and alleviate stress is by soaking your feet in warm ginger tea. Studies have scientifically proven that the aroma of ginger can effectively calm both the mind and body, making it an excellent choice for achieving a state of relaxation. Benefit number 10. Hair health. Using ginger tea as a hair rinse is a great way to improve scalp health and promote hair growth. The antiseptic properties of ginger can help maintain a healthy scalp, while the vitamin C in lemon can boost hair follicles. Now that we've explored the 10 amazing health benefits of ginger tea with lemon, let's show you how to make this wonderful elixir at home. Step 1. Peel and slice fresh ginger root. Step 2. Cut a lemon into slices. Step 3. Bring water to a boil and add the ginger and lemon slices. Step 4. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. Step 5. Strain the ginger tea into a cup. Step 6. Add honey or sweetener of your choice to taste. In order to fully benefit from the health advantages of ginger tea with lemon, it is imperative that you make it a habitual part of your routine. So, indulge in this delectable and nourishing beverage without hesitation. As with any natural remedy, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns or are taking medications. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the incredible health benefits of ginger and the refreshing taste of ginger tea with lemon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on natural health solutions.